If you want to set up security folder on a Samsung A36 5G, you will have to start by opening settings, and then you will have to scroll down until you find security and privacy. Now you will have to scroll down again, and you will have to go into more security settings. Then go for secure folder. Now click continue again, and right now you will have to wait a few moments for creating of a secure folder. And thanks to the secure folder, you will be able to copy apps and log them, but also you will be able to put your files easily here and get private pictures. So no one will actually get access into this folder. You will set up your password, the different one from your current screen lock, which is really useful. So right now you can also find here a short preview, what it does, the base information. And right now, after it will be created, I'm gonna show you for sure how you can set it up. So just wait for a few moments. Right now, if you are still watching this part of the video, please leave a like. It will be definitely useful for you. As you can see right now, we have to click done. And what we have to do right now is just to set the lock type. We can also use fingerprint, and additionally we can allow lock reset with Samsung account if you forgot your password. Then you have to click your password type. In my case, I'm gonna use simple pattern, confirm and input it one more time. There we go. Now we have to click OK, and we have to click next. Now, as you can see, we successfully create the secure folder. So first of all, when you are searching for the secure folder, if you are using app drawer, it should be available somewhere here, and this is the the icon of secure folder. And when you are opening for the first time, you will have to input the password, but then you don't have to input this password since you are not locked with your screen password. And if you want to add apps here, you will have to click on the plus, and now you can simply select all apps that are available right here, one by one. You can also download apps from the Play Store or Galaxy Store and click add to get them just right here. And when you tap in this place, you can also change some settings of the secure folder, like for example, when you want to lock this secure folder. So as you can see, currently as a default, it's locking the folder when the screen turns off. But you can, for example, lock this each time you leave an application, which is, in my opinion, the best option. And here you can also find a lot of other settings, but I can highly recommend you to go into this one and get used to it, try some things, change some settings, just set it up to your preferences.